Hi, welcome to my channel, Go With The Flow 504. I'm Flo, and I have fabulous subscribers on this channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, like and share, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you can know when I have a new video. So I try to upload at least one video every week or every other week. So before I get into it, this is just part 2 of the video that I just did to reorganize my refrigerators. So we just moved into this house a few months ago, and right before we even started looking for a house, we had to buy a new refrigerator. So when we moved in, we had a new refrigerator that we decided to keep. So now we have 2, which is great because now we have extra space to put all our everyday essentials. And I started doing meal preps on the weekends, and I'll make a video on that soon. And we use that for our drinks, water, leftovers, and our meal prep food. So we really don't have issues with space. So it is absolutely great. So if you have not yet watched part 1 of this video of the fridge and freezer organization, I recommend you click on that link, watch that first, and then come back to this video. But if not, that's fine. You can just see what the second refrigerator has, and hopefully you get some ideas. If you have some ideas for me, please put that in the links below. So just a note, I always mostly buy most of my containers from the Dollar Tree. I'm cheap like that. I don't have money to go buy all the nice fancy stuff with the clear containers. Trust me, I love them. They look beautiful. But I'm happy with my Dollar Tree containers. So that's usually what you will find I use in my videos. They're functional, they look good, I think they do. So if you are like me, you like shopping at the Dollar Tree and like to save $1, then this video is definitely for you. So without further ado, here is part 2 of my refrigerator and freezer organization. So I had actually cleaned this out last week, just washed everything. So the refrigerator itself is pretty clean. I probably still have to wipe it down a little bit. So this here is really what needs some organization. So we will get started. So what I like to do, I meal prep every week. So these are really the leftovers from last week. So I'm gonna have to see what's still good and what's not. So I leave all this space, and I'll use this space for any leftover food. And this here I use usually like for vegetables. So if I get like collard greens and big stuff like that, I put it in there. And we put most of our milks and other juices and stuff here. I try not to buy too much sugary drinks, but I love my vitamin water. Sometimes we get soda, but I try to just keep water in the refrigerator because that's what they need to be drinking. And of course, my husband likes to have his drinks, and every once in a while I get my drink, so it's all good. All right, well, I am done. I'm tired. I'm going to go rest, and then I will start meal prepping. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I will see you in the next one.